Fáilte my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Géibheann Eochairfhocail ardavil. Sa bhí seán seo fálamóid me Eochairfhocail ó Annalise an Dáin. Rugga Kathleen Maud. Kathleen Maud was born. Cúnta na Galva, County Galway. Múntóir scoile, a school teacher. Ceoltóir, a musician. Ashtóir, an actor. Thrid she fought. Son chearta Gaelgóirí for the rights of Irish speakers. An Chibhlint, the conflict. Saoirse agus Díorse, freedom and captivity. Téim an Dáin, theme of the poem. Dáin Fáchéalach, an allegorical poem. Mafrach, metaphorical. An Tanmhaí, the animal. Teantaithe in a hail, trapped in his life. Fiamid, we get. Íomhá Eochairfhoc, a positive image. Sighéad La, in the first half. Giannis féin, in charge of himself. Ag búriil sna foréisice, roaring in the forests. Íomhá Thruabhéalach, a pitiful image. Sadara La, in the second half. Spirit an Anaví, the spirit of the animal. In Isla Brí, in the depths of despair. In Géibheann sa zoo, in prison in the zoo. Cahan an Tanmhaí, the animal spins. In a lí an talamh, lying on the ground. Tagan Cuairteoirí, visitors come. Níl the Cuairteoirí ábalta, the visitors are not able to. Brón agus éadóchas, sadness and hopelessness. Cuimhní dearfacha, positive memories. Tuigeann an Tanmhaí, the animal understands. Ag tús an Dáin at the start of the poem. Ag deire an Dáin at the end of the poem. Deire lena olingt, an end to his suffering. Codasnacht, a contrast. Fuinneamh an Anaví, energy of the animal. Tuirse an Anaví, tiredness of the animal. Úsáideann an File, the poet uses. Parson thu, personification. Tréthe déana, personal traits or characteristics. Ag labhairt sa chéad farsa, speaking in the first person. Trua, pity. Aspa puncíochta, a lack of punctuation. Pian agus Díorse an Anaví, the pain and captivity of the animal. Sa bhí seán seo, dbholaim mé Eochairfhocail ó Annalise an Dáin. Slán libh.